Alright guys, here's one of my favorite 1911s. We are going to be testing it out on boards. Don't mind them. They have cut to lapse. I stabbed them with something they should not have. So here I did not stab this one, that one I stabbed them in his arm. I stabbed them in their legs. So they're kind of not being able to walk for a while. But this is my first forward, so we're just going to shoot him in the heart and hopefully he just falls. Which I probably shot him in the wrong place, which that's okay. Because we can always just make adjustments when your gun runs out of ammo for some reason. But I'm not going to show the aftermath when I... You could probably see blood spattering, but that is okay. And then you're next. Ooh, yeah, I don't know if YouTube will let me show that. Yep, no, that's too bloody. And then we're moving on to this gun right here. Oh. Hey, okay, stop moving. Stop. Actually, stop. Stop. Yep, that's really bloody. Yeah, I can probably see some blood on the ground.
What up, son?
Hey, so they told me to go take you out. And then take me out. I see the world. Alright, yeah, thank you for watching the video. And just make sure to like the video, please.